Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is our third and final video in the city of Chattanooga, Tennessee, as we make our way north on US Highway 11. We have a concurrency here with US Highway 64 East, as we have since we entered the city limits. We're at the far eastern end of Chattanooga, although we still have quite a distance to go before we're completely out of the city limits.
We were shifting seasons, taking back roads. Where did all the time go? Lost in the crescendo. You're the loudest thing in my head, and I'd fallen over again. Love you, silver and gold, a billion or broke. I know I won't let you go. High places or low, sun blazing or cold. I know I won't let you go. I was wading through all the memories, never was pretending, hope it's never ending. 'Cause I've got tattoos of your name now written on my brain. I'll never be the same. You're the loudest thing in my head, and I've fallen over again. I won't let you go. Silver and gold, a billion or broke. I know I won't let you go. High places or low, sun blazing or cold. I know I won't let You're the loudest thing in my head, and I'd fallen over again. In this life, let me live, breathing in the air of your fire, undefined soul's desire. You don't even know what you did. Now I'm on fire, fire, burning.
Here we make a right turn onto Bonnie Oaks Drive. A sign indicates that this is also State Route 317, but as far as my research has told me, that state highway no longer runs here and has been realigned a little bit to the west along Volkswagen Drive. Here we jump onto I-75 for a few miles, as well as the neglected and forgotten US Highway 74 East, which is completely unsigned during its concurrency with I-75. We briefly have a control city of Knoxville, although the interstate will take you there much more quickly than US 11 does.
With
Exit 9 leads to Volkswagen Drive, which is to our left and is named for the Volkswagen Chattanooga assembly plant. The facility opened in 2011 and produces the American market Volkswagen Passat, the Atlas, and the ID.4 battery electric crossover SUV. Our concurrency with I-75 ends at exit 11 as we drive through the census-designated place of Ooltewah. The Chattanooga city limits at this point just cover the highway here and the adjacent businesses, presumably for the sales tax revenue. The Ooltewah CDP overlays this part of the Chattanooga city limits as well as the entirety of the city of Collegedale, which is just to our right.
It's time to follow you into the sun. Golden skies lead me down 101. Your city lights reflecting in.
Note the name Little Debbie Parkway to the right. McKee Foods Corporation, which manufactures the Little Debbie line of snack cakes, among other brands, is located in Collegedale, although Little Debbie Parkway doesn't seem to lead to any part of their facility. But Chattanoogans are proud of being the home of the snack cakes that everybody loves, and the real Little Debbie McKee Fowler serves as Executive Vice President of McKee Foods. Here we finally exit the Chattanooga city limits and will conclude today's video just ahead at the imaginary mile marker 27. Tennessee isn't good about posting mile markers on US highways, and when they do, the numbering starts over at the county lines, making them less than useful for our purposes. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.